If change only comes from big steps, making the world better doesn't always require grand gestures. Small, consistent actions can create significant ripple effects. Today, I'm Maritza from 12 Science 9, going to show you some simple changes you can make that can truly make a difference. So, let's get started! First, be kind and compassionate. Start with kindness. It's free and can make a big difference. Smile at others, give compliment, or simply listen when someone needs to talk. Small gestures like helping with groceries or holding a door can brighten someone's day and inspire positivity. Second, volunteer or donate. Your time and generosity matter. Volunteer for local charities or donate unused items to those in need. Don't forget that even small financial contribution to trusted organization can make a big impact. Third, spread positivity online. Don't forget to spread kindness in the digital world too. Share uplifting, educational, or inspiring content that can bring a smile or spark new ideas. Also, avoid getting involved in negative comments or online arguments. Fourth, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Taking care of our planet starts with simple habits. Use reusable bags and bottles and avoid single-use plastic. Choose eco-friendly products and try composting food scraps to reduce waste and protect our environment. Fifth, save energy and water. Protecting our planet also means conserving resources. Turn off lights, unplug devices, and fix leaky taps to save energy and water. Small changes like this work together to preserve our Earth for the future. And the last one, be a lifelong learner. Educate yourself on global challenges like climate change, inequality, and poverty. The more we learn, the more we can share that knowledge and inspire others to take action as well. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. But before we go, I want to leave you with this thought. Small actions can change the world for the better. So, let me tell you guys, just two moments from my life. Once, I donated unused clothes to an orphanage. What was small for me brought so much joy and gratitude to the children there. Another time, I was in a rush, but I stopped for a moment to politely ask permission from the teacher walking in front of me to pass. That simple gesture made her day. She told me it was refreshing to see kindness and respect in such a hurried world. These moments may seem small, but they made a difference to those children, to that teacher, and me. Thanks for watching and goodbye everyone. Have a nice